Hello viewers, welcome to Technomart channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw an arc. In Draw toolbar, there are several options for drawing an arc. Look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 options here, but all these options are not required to draw any arc. So today I will show you 4 options by using which we can draw all the arcs required in our drawing. The first method is 3-point method. I will show this method how to draw. Assume that there are 3 lines. Like this. And I want to draw an arc which touches the last 3 points of these 3 lines. In this case, we can draw using 3-point method. So select 3-point method and click the first point, next second point, and last the end point. So this is our arc. This is the arc. Okay. If you know 3 end point of any drawing where you want to draw an arc, then you can use this method. Now I will tell you the second method. Let's 2 lines of length 5 units. So which are perpendicular to each other, and we want to draw an arc which touches the end point of these 2 lines. But here is not available any option using 2 points. In this case, I will show you another method, but we don't need to follow this method, by which we can draw all the arc. Look, type command arc A, enter. Now specify first point. So it asks, look at the command prompt. Arc specify a start point of arc or center point. So I will simply click on the start point. Now it asked specify second point, but here is not available any second point. We have the last point or end point. So simply select end point, click E for end. Look, here center and end, but C and E is in blue color. It means to select end command, simply select E and then click enter. Now select E and then enter. So look, arc specify the end point of the arc. Now click on the end point. Now arc specify center point of the arc. Now the center point is this point. Okay, arc is ready. This is the second method. And the third method. But if these 2 lines this is a line of 6 meter and another line perpendicular to this point is 5 units. Now if we want to draw the previous method, then something will be wrong. Let's try. Arc A, enter, first point, and now select the endpoint E, enter, now select endpoint and center point. Look, there is a gap between the endpoint of the arc and the endpoint of the second endpoint of the line. So in this method we cannot draw this arc. So for this, so what can we do? For drawing this arc, we need to know the radius value of arc. Let's assume the radius of the arc is 5. Now start drawing. A, enter, select first point. Now similarly select endpoint E, enter, and click endpoint of the arc. Now look, arc specify center point of arc or angle, direction or radius. You may specify angle between these 2 points, which is 90 degree. Direction, you can specify direction too, and if you know the radius, then you can specify the radius. If here the angle is known to us, so just put A and enter. Now angle value 90 degree, enter. So this is same way. If you know the radius value, then you can draw this arc. Type A, enter, first point. Now select endpoint E, enter, and click on the endpoint. And if you know the radius value of this image, the radius value is 5.6. So click radius for R, for radius R, enter. Now specify radius. Specify radius 5.6, enter. Look, now the fourth method and the last method for drawing an arc, by which we can draw all type of arc used in AutoCAD. Let's two lines which are not perpendicular but at an angle of 135 degree. Now I want to draw an arc. So click on arc A, enter, first point. Now this is the endpoint. To select endpoint, first E, enter, then click on the endpoint. Now it asks angle, direction, radius. I don't know the radius, direction, but know the angle between these 2 points, which is 135 degree. Now select A for angle and enter, and specify the included angle, which is 135. Look, arc is ready. Okay. So friends, using this method you can draw any type of arc used in AutoCAD. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notification of my channel's upload. Thank you.